So despite the fact that I did a little bit of a burnout, because it is a gravel driveway, I'm putting the front splitter on today, and I wanted to give myself a few more inches of room if possible, and I was unable to borrow a friend's race ramp because, well, they're 64 inches long and I had people in the car. So I went over to my brother's this morning to pick up some tools and some different things, rivet gun and stuff, and I thought, hey bro, like, what's the deal? You want to make me some race ramps? Well, these are just a quickie that he put together. Two 2x6s, put a 45 on them, and they work really, really well. I could easily squeeze another 2 inches and get myself up onto a proper 6x6, but because there's nobody here to spot me and make sure that clearance and getting on it and all that's solid, I didn't want to risk it, so I just played it safe, and we're going to stick with the 4 inches. I did the little block there so that when I drove it up, because there is nobody here to help me. That's a big emphasis. There's nobody here to help me. There's nobody here to spot and give me any last minute critique. So I wanted it to be somewhat easy. We tried driving the car on and off, and it worked pretty good. So for anybody out there trying to make your own, or on a budget because you don't have $400 or $500 to spend on a set of race ramps or 64 inches to transport them, these work pretty good.